Hello everyone, welcome back to Virish tutorial. In this video, I will be explaining about the orders Blattodea and Mantodea represents cockroaches and praying mantis respectively. Coming to the order Blattodea, previously it was included in the order Dictyoptera. The order Blattodea is commonly called as Urticaria or Blattiformia, commonly known as cockroaches. Cockroach is having chewing mouthpart, that is mandibulate type of mouthpart. Head orientation is hypognathous, that means head is located at an angle to the body axis and mouthparts are projected downwards. In place of ocelli, it is having degenerated ocelli which are sensory in function. Body is dorsolaterally flattened. It possesses shield-like pronotum which covers thorax and posterior part of the head. Forewing is leathery, hindwing is membranous, and it is having cursorial type of legs which are suited for running purpose. To differentiate male and female, males are having a pair of anal styli which are located on 10th abdominal tergum. Some cockroaches are omnivorous, that means it feeds on both animal as well as plant matters, whereas some species are detrivorous, they feed on decaying matters. They communicate with each other by releasing pheromones. Some important families of cockroaches are Blattidae, Blattelidae, Blavaridae, Cryptocercidae, Nocticolidae, Polypagidae. Blavaridae produces hissing sound, particularly Madagascar hissing cockroach is known for its hissing sound production. It produces sound through spiracles which are present on the abdomen. Let's see the life cycle of a cockroach, particularly Periplaneta americana, which is a common cockroach. All cockroaches have three developmental stages: egg, nymphs and adults. Female produce an egg case called as ootheca which protrudes from the tip of the abdomen. On an average, female produce 9 to 10 oothecae. Immature cockroach emerging from the egg case in 6 to 12 weeks. Nymphal period is for 6 to 12 months. Adult can live up to 1 year. So the total life cycle of Periplaneta americana is 2 years. Nymphs undergoes 13 molds. Again it varies with the species. In other species it varies from 6 to 14 molds. Periplaneta japonica undergoes diapause for 2 times in its life stages. First diapause during egg stage and second diapause during nymphal stage. Let's see some interesting facts about cockroaches. Cockroaches are believed to have originated more than 280 million years ago in the Carboniferous era. There are more than 4,000 species of cockroaches have been described from the world. A cockroach can hold its breath for 40 minutes and cockroach can run up to 3 miles in an hour. German cockroaches become adult in as little as 36 days only. American cockroach has shown a marked attraction to alcoholic beverages, especially beer. Cockroaches can live without food for 1 month, without water for 1 week, and the world's largest cockroach lives in South America and it is 6 inches long. Next order is Mantodea. Previously it was included in the order Dictyoptera and commonly known as mantids or praying mantis. Foreleg is raptorial, suited for grasping the prey. Prothorax and procoxa prolonged. Chewing type of mouthparts, that is mandibulate type. Head orientation is hypognathous. Forewing is leathery. Hindwing is membranous, similar to that of cockroaches. Praying mantid ootheca is called as egg case, which is composed of frothy secretion called as spumalene. It is the only insect can turn its head 180 degree, that is without moving its body parts. It can turn their head from side to side, and it is a general predator and cannibalistic in nature. That means it feeds on their own siblings after hatching and also feed on other beneficial insects. Their values as a biological control is probably limited. Coming to the species diversity, approximately 2450 species have been described from the world. Ethiopian region possesses the highest diversity of mantid species, followed by the Oriental region, which includes India. Mantis belongs to the family Mantoididae, Hymenopodidae, Epusidae, Amorphoselidae, Metalliticidae, Ermiaphelidae, Mantidae, Litargusidae, Toxoderidae, Thespidae. Let's see the life cycle of a praying mantis. Summer season is the breeding season of the praying mantis. A female adult lays its eggs inside the frothy or liquid-like structure called as egg case. It has a compartment-like special formation for every single egg inside. Mantis come out of the egg case in the spring season. It undergoes usually 6 molts. Praying mantis life cycle varies with the different species. On an average, the lifespan of a praying mantid is almost 1 year, whereas praying mantid adult can live for 6 months. Sexual cannibalism is a distinct behavior in the life strategy of praying mantis, where the female kills and feeds herself on the male after mating. In some species of praying mantis, female eats the head of their mate after copulation. This is actually a topic of debate, though many researchers deny this hypothesis. It is said that only 15% of female praying mantis consume a male after mating. Mantis are preyed on by many vertebrates and invertebrates, so mantids protect themselves by camouflage to avoid predation and for better capturing of its prey. Some of the anti-predatory adaptations are leap mimicry, leap-like expansion of the forewing, bluffing threat display by raising its foreleg and displaying its colored wings, dymatic display by jewel mantis. Some mantis mimic ants to avoid predation, flower mimicry by flower mantis to avoid predation as well as to capture flower visiting insects. If you have specific doubts on this chapter, please mention in the comments. Thank you.